Okay, so here I am back on my newsletter, Truth About Bigfoot. And one of the things that might be a little confusing to people on Substack is some of the lingo they use here. One of the things here that's kind of confusing is the difference between a subscriber and an email list. What I want to show you now is what that means. So come over here to your dashboard, come over here to subscribers, and what you'll see is you have a total email list and then you have a total subscribers list. Now, what is the difference between an email list and a subscribers list? On Substack, it's basically the email list is the people who are not paying. These are your free subscribers. They're subscribed to your newsletter, but they're only subscribed to the free version. The subscribers list, these are the people who actually pay you every month. That's the simple difference on Substack. So just be aware that the people who are signed up for free, they are part of your email list, right? Once they become paid members and they're actually paying you every month, they are your subscribers. That's the only difference. Anyways, I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.